Hi guys, welcome to Tamil Cyber Security. Today we can see about Advanced for Cyber 3 2021 Day 18. Let's get started. Okay guys, we can day 18 playing with the containers. Please note if you are on the TryAcme free plan, the attacker box does not have internet access and connection each AWS. You will need to install core under the AWS CLI and your own machines in order to complete this challenge. Instructions to installing the AWS CLI are rather this link https docker.aws amazon.com client latest user guide getting started install.html. Okay guys, if you do not have you have free plan, you can go and download first this Amazon, and next we can see uh, anotherwise I can told what we do. Let's get you follow first. There have a Grich Enterprise and been golden about the attacker on underground form. We know there are specific targeting organizations accompanying that they are advanced for cyber AOC and the futuristic constraints tracking the user back over time. We also encourage it to refresh by using AWS Electric Container Register ECR store container image their use infrastructure in the attacker. Let's see if we can find out more about attacker tooling Glitch Enterprise in using Glitch Starter. You will need to start your Hackbox run command using Docker container tool. Containers the virtual machines similar to virtual machines VM container image based on open control investigation distribution specialized. However, when someone talks about the Docker or containers thereafter, you're talking about a multi-container that work together. Especially the team Docker is used to describe. If you have Docker means the hack the box is already have Docker machines. I now only see there's a Docker already have. Okay, next API and this commands Docker. One second, guys. First you're putting a Docker image. This commands 920. Okay, enough. Next we see Docker containing a storage respectively, which are references of file mapping. The Docker demands know how to reach while including the container tag tar files. Each image in here, especially when including the image tags, and the image can be referencing using either their tags or image ID. For example, rename click latest these commands. Uh, First you did Docker image. I put a Docker image here. Next questions link to suspended AWS public content gallery of Glitch Enterprise. You can retrieve the proternal Glitch Enterprise. I image it by running the following command. First I put in here. First copy and paste here. Oh, not here. Okay. First I copy. I control C copy and control V. Not here. Okay. First I minimize the volume. Sorry, reduce the volume. Sorry guys. Docker full public ecr.aws slash ow how 1j9u3 slash grinch aoc double quotes latest. Okay, Docker full public EICR AWS HOW1 J9U3 Glitch AOC. Sorry guys, AOC I know by putting A0. I erase and latest and click enter. There are some files are downloading. If you can wait guys. Uh, the loading taking more much time because my system was slow that only Uh, wait guys, there error responding from human gadgets. Request can client timeout pairing headers. Okay, I put in view full screen. One second guys, I am putting view full screen and copy this link first. Copy. Basic wait commands. One second guys. Now you I paste Control C. Not the commands was I first this copy and paste Docker X. Enter. Wait guys. Loading. Now also HTTP is public AWS v2 not connections. Client timeout executor whiles enter. Once again I click here and just they are opening. Because why not I downloading? First I can search first Rich Enterprise. We are target the Rich Enterprise attack including link extension container public. For example, open link. I put in open link. Wait guys, they are opening. Glitch. Oh, sorry. Gallery. Public ERC. Copy. Copied. Okay. And back come and put here. Wait guys, sounds they are loading because the some packets are not downloading. That is very important. The commands. Wait guys, they are opening. One second guys. Shut. They are not opening. I first close it and paste here and enter. Their location is copy and minimize here. Okay, first I paste these commands. Latest enter. Published as is not such a derived. First I was download AWS. That only. Okay, I first download AWS. I cannot download latest. Copy this and paste here. Enter. No such a directory. Copy. Enter. Command not found. One second, guys. First, I install Docker. Install. Sorry, guys. Install apt docker.io. Once again, guys, install cannot found because I do not have Docker. That's only. Once again, I first Docker download command. Mhm. User yum sudo yum install docker. Kali Linux install docker. Install on commands. One second, guys. Mm, this commands only. First, I copy these commands and paste here. Yes, they are running. Wait, guys, few minutes. There are no docker. That's only they cannot installed. Next, enable docker. This commands use. Third, only docker find. There are some more files are. I cannot have this. First, there are no more lot of time. Okay, finished. Finishing commands. Zero connections. Done. Wait, guys. There are initially zero only have. Oh shit. Connection is. They are taking a lot of time. First, you do this initial path because my machines not support here. So support this virtual machines. Okay, next command is paste. One second, guys. First, I copy sudo. Installed. Okay, now next to this command, so you can use first. They are working or not. Wait, guys. Copy these commands. Okay, and first clear and paste here. Wait, guys, are running. Sorry, guys, I do not have AWS. That only waiting connection failed. I told answer because you can நீங்கள் வந்து இது வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி பார்க்கணுன்னா you can do it because they are giving some instruction you can follow. I will told the answer. What commands will list contain image store in your local content register? I think docker image. Yes. What commands will allow you say once again, guys, to save a docker image to the tar archive. I will check tar archive. One second, guys. I will check the tar archive is docker save. Yes, docker save only. Docker save. Next command, what is the name of the files including the file extension of the configuration responsive tags layer hash value stored in the container image? I think main first Johnson, MANA, main first JSON. What is the token value you found the bonus change? Here only have the token value because I do not have machines because there are a lot of problem in my machines that only I can experiment. I do not experiment how can run experiment. Sorry guys. I will told answer 095 B3 E9300542 EDAB BC2 double D double 58C double 1FA. Submit. Your answer is correct. That's all guys. We are finished the 18th. Sorry guys, yes, 18th only. Today task coming soon. Uh, that's all guys. Next target is today 19. Yes, target challenges not coming. Missions task 19 not coming. Today day is 19 because there are come evening night when time I don't know. I The task is coming means I will put the video. Okay guys, bye guys. I will see you next video. Do not forget my YouTube channel.